do or what to think. I can only tell you what I'm doing and why I think so. I called the bottom on the day 6 months in advance with video evidence. Was I a lucky slot machine? Time will tell, but here's why I think what I think. It's because of the 7-year cycle. This is one of my biggest guiding factors when looking at a macro perspective. Some would call it the Shemitah, the sabbatical year, the Sabbath year, whatever you want to call it. It does not matter, but the data proves that there are some pretty significant events that happen every 7 years. Let's take a look. And 2022 was a sabbatical year, the Shemitah. We had the war in Ukraine, we had the Luna collapse, we had the FTX collapse, and many more events that happened. 2015, the Chinese stock market crash over 50%. That was a Shemitah year. 2008 was the great financial crisis. That was a Shemitah year. 2001, 9/11 happened and the dot-com bubble busted. 94, the stock market crashed 50%, and 86 was Black Monday when on the Wolf of Wall Street, he got fired. So I've been hearing a lot about this Great Depression 2.0 that's about to unfold, but what do the charts say about this? Well, the charts say that we had a pretty significant pullback in the Shemitah, but we are well beyond it. But if you look, this little line in the sand is the next Shemitah. This is in 2029. And this fractal, what I have right here, is the Great Depression. It is the roaring 20s all the way up to the Great Depression. Now, I don't think it's going to go this high to this magnitude, but what you'll notice is even the C19, a spike down, and the choppiness where we're at right now, the big run up right now, it is all the same. You might be saying, well, what about the BRICS nation? It's going to take over tomorrow and we're all going to be screwed. What do the charts say? Well, if we take a look at the ruble, you know, the thing that supposedly is going to overtake the US dollar, this thing, I can name like 22,000 different cryptocurrencies that have a better chart than this. This thing is down 96%. 96%. Shiba Inu is not down 96%, to put that in perspective. Pepe is not down 96%, to put that in perspective. Well, that's just one example. The BRICS just formed. You mean like almost 20 years ago? Like, this is old news, guys. Let's look at the yuan. It's down to the 2008 levels. 2008. It was also a recession for China. Brazil, same thing. Way below the 2008 levels. So will the Dow Jones just run forever? No. Time would tell us that it will not, and it will eventually crash. Or how about the US dollar? Is that going to be around forever? No. I don't believe in that either. It is down 98%. 1971 when we took the US dollar off of the gold standard. When I say Bitcoin is in phase 1 of 4 of the bull run, this is why I think this. Because you can talk about 4-year cycles, you can talk about all these different things, magical fairies, unicorns, whatever you want to talk about, but the fact of the matter is Bitcoin has never had a new all-time high without first the Dow Jones making a new all-time high. You might be saying, well, what about the recession that's coming up? Yeah, that came and went. In 2022, we actually had a global recession. It came and it went. They changed the definition on what a recession is, so a lot of people didn't even know we were in a recession, but we had one. We felt that in the Dow Jones, and we felt that in Bitcoin. Fact of the matter, this thing structurally is following perfectly to a T the 2013 bull run, and this, well, specifically this, is what's next. And I will be dollar cost averaging and buckling up and getting along for the ride. There will be a time when the chicken comes home to crow and the piper has to get paid. That time, in my opinion, will be 2029. The fact of the matter, whatever is popular is wrong. Whatever is popular is wrong. And what is popular right now is we are about to go into a Great Depression 2.0 and the BRICS are going to take over. That's the popular narrative, and I'm telling you, it's wrong. At least right now it is. At first, God bless. I'm out.